Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate the use of creating the static methods inside an interface. So let's get started. As explained in the previous session, we can create default methods having some method body in an interface from Java 8 onwards. Similarly, we can also create static methods inside an interface from Java 8 onwards, that is Java 1.8 onwards. We can create the static methods inside an interface. Let me practically show you how we can create the static methods inside an interface first. For that, I'll open this Eclipse IDE, and here we have an interface, guys, which is already created, public interface name. Inside this interface, I am going to create a static method. So firstly, I'll create a normal method, guys. So public void each. Okay, I'll first create a normal method, which is not a static method. The moment I try to create a body for this method like this, okay, body and some statement inside the body. So let's say animal is eating. Okay, if I create something like this, you see, I'm already getting an error saying that abstract methods do not specify a body. All the methods by default in an interface are abstract type. So you cannot provide body, but there is an exception. If you add the static keyword here, the moment you added the static keyword, you see, interface is allowing you to create a method having some method body. So this proves that we can create static methods in an interface. This is possible from Java 8 onwards. Fine. But what is the purpose, guys? What is the purpose of creating such kind of static methods inside an interface, which is similar to the default methods inside an interface? The purpose of creating the static methods is that this method should not be overridden in the child classes. Okay. As we already know, static methods cannot be overridden in the child classes. Okay. So in interface also, we can create the static methods with some body, and these methods should not be overridden in the child classes. For such kind of requirements, real-time requirements, we have to create static methods inside an interface. But how to access this particular method from an interface? Very simple, guys. So since it is a static, we have to use a interface name to access this method. Okay, let me show you. I'll first create a new class, a demo class with some public static void main method. I'll just drag it so that you can see both the classes. Here we have the interface having some static method, and now this side we have the demo class having the main method. Inside this main method, I'm going to access this eat. Okay, eat function of this eat method of this animal. How? Using the interface name. So I'll simply say animal dot each. That's it. Okay, animal dot it. It's as simple as that. Okay, you have to use the interface name to access this static method, which is created inside the interface. Now run this code. Animal is eating will be printed in the output. You see, animal is eating is printed in the output. So hope guys you understood why we have to create the static methods in an interface and how it is possible from Java 8 onwards. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.